We're going to try and fix the dash light. It's not working. That bulb is going to go in there and fix this problem where the light don't come on the dash, and with an LED this time. Okay. According to the main Haynes manual, we remove the radio. So you'll need these. 1, 2. Push them in. Yeah. Pull out the springs, and then you can withdraw the radio. And you'll have to disconnect it at the back, which is just this one plug, which is as easy as that to remove. That's it. And then that one, that's the aerial. So you will need the code for when you put it back in. So put those out of the way. Then you've got two screws here, one here. This is so as we can remove the dash. Put the screws in a safe place. There. One, and then the other one. Yeah, take out that screw, so it's those 2 screws, then this comes off. This falls off. And the dash is attached here. This is the screw we must undo. Remember, that's a different screw. And then the 2 screws under here you must undo. Yeah, so you need to undo the screws under here. And the other side. That's it. A little bit awkward because of you need a shorter screwdriver really. Right, we've released the screws, and then it's kind of tried to clip in somewhere. Oh, there's another screw there, Anna, under here. We missed one screw, but we found you. Oh, now that's loose. Right. Here we go. So then that lifts off. You don't have to take this cover off. The manual's wrong. Oh, maybe not. No, the manual's wrong. The manual is wrong. There is a cable to this. To be honest, I'll leave that.
I'm recording it yet.
Right. Now we got to get the screw this side. And a screw this side. Two more screws at the top. Okay, so this is loose now. Now we can withdraw the assembly. And then we're going to have to look behind. Where's the light? Oh, the light's at the top. Look, there it is. There's the light. So we need to take that out. As you can see, this is the bulb. These are the connections, this cable. And that's the bulb holder, so we need to take that out. We haven't got the battery disconnected because we figured that as long as we don't turn the lights on, there won't be any power to it. So this is the bulb, 40 bulb, and we're going to put our LED, so we need to solder onto these 2 contacts our LED and push our little LED in there. Right, we need to check if there's any voltage, just to prove the point that no voltage. But if we turn the lights on, voltage. So we're safe to solder onto this. Right, we found a grommet. Now it kind of fits, but we need to glue it in, so we're going to use Gorilla glue. We've got gloves on because it's horrible stuff. And then pull out a little bit of glue and mix it up. And then we take our little light bulb and we just stick some glue around the edges, enough to hold it in place. Ooh. That should do the trick. Now we'll fit that in, and then while that's drying we'll do the soldering. Make sure the cable's out of the way. Push it out of the way. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
And then we're going to put our bulb in. Just place it. There, it's stuck in. And now we're going to glue the wires. Solder the wires. Right. Shorten the wires and tin them. And we're going to connect it now to these pads. Yeah? So, what we got to do is just take the wire, apply some heat. Right, so we've tinned the wires, and now we've just got to put that red one on there, and then put the black one. The black one. Oh, I see it's still hot. Hang on. That's it. It's got it. That's it. Is it lit up?
No.
Oh, bull. Yeah! It's working.
There you go.
Right. So put it all back, all the dashes back, and now we test it. Look at that. Even in broad daylight, it's working. So just to recap, this is come from Amazon, and it's an LED, constant white LED, 12 volt, which you can get on Amazon, and obviously that's going to be much more reliable and brighter. That's it.
No, thank you.
Make sure you wire the plus to the right, so you've got the right polarity. As long as you've got the right polarity, it will work.